Welcome to Baluchi Zone. Today's lesson is all about speaking in different stages in life. In Baluchi, we have a term called ya, which means as a, when talking about a period in your life. For example, child in Baluchi means chok. Child, chok. As a child, chok, ya. Chokia. As a child, I played a lot. Chokia man baz leib kut. Chokia man baz leib kut. Next, we have young. Young. Warna. Warna. As a young person, warna ia. Warnaio. As a young person, I loved music. As a young person, I loved music. Warnaio man ziemer dost bud. Warnaio man ziemer dost bud. Old, pir, pir. As an old person, pirio, pirio. As an old man, I am sleeping more. Pirio man geshter wapsagan. Pirio man geshter wapsagan. Ia can also translate as in times of. For example, hungry means shudig in Baluchi. Shudig. In times of hunger, people do mad things. In times of hunger, people do mad things. Shudigio mahluk ganokien cheese kanant. Shudigio mahluk ganokien cheese kanant. Or you can also say Shudigio mardom ganukien kar kanant. Shudigio mardom ganukien kar kanant. To say dark, we say tahar. Tahar. In times of darkness, taharia. Taharia. For example, in times of darkness, we don't see anything. In times of darkness, we don't see anything. Taharia ma hich naginding. Taharia ma hich naginding. To say deaf, we say kar. Kar. In times of deaf or in times of deafness would translate as carrio, carrio. In times of deafness, you won't hear. Carrio to na ishkune. Carrio to na ishkune. As you can see, ia is compatible with different occasions or scenarios. I hope you've enjoyed this short lesson.